Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I am back with a new food review. And in today's video we are going to review another flavor from the Britannia Winkin Cow. So here it is. The product for review today is the Britannia Winkin Cow Thickshake strawberry flavor, chococolicious thick shake from Britannia Winkin Cow. So in our previous video we had reviewed the Britannia Winkin Cow Thickshake chocolate flavor. Today we are going to review the strawberry flavor of the Britannia Winkin Cow. So guys, like the chocolate flavor, this one also comes in a tetra pack. Again, it has the Britannia branding right here, the Winkin Cow branding underneath it, and then the flavor mentioned here, strawberry-licious thick shake mentioned here. And since it's a strawberry flavored milkshake, the packaging is in the pink and white color. So in the chocolate one we have seen that it was brown and chocolatey brown and white color. In this it is pink and white, showing pink for strawberry and white for milk. So this is the strawberry-licious thick shake from Winkin Cow. And this also comes in a tetra pack. Along with the tetra pack you get a straw here. We'll just remove the straw so I can show it to you all. We get a straw to drink it. Right here is a place where you need to pierce it. Now coming to the quantity here, it is a 200 ml packet. So this is a 200 ml quantity of the Winkin Cow Thickshake is 200 ml, and it is priced at rupees 35. So the MRP is rupees 35 for the Winkin Cow Strawberry-licious Thickshake is rupees 35. Coming down here are the nutrition facts mentioned on the side of the packet. Here it is mentioned that it's a 100% vegetarian product because there's a vegetarian mark here. Going on top, talking about the shelf life of the product. The shelf life is 270 days from packaging, so it has a good shelf life, 270 days from packaging. Overall the packaging looks good and nice. So let's get down to the taste test then. So here's the straw. Let me just remove the straw from the packet. And here we go. This is the Britannia Winkin Cow Strawberry-licious Thick Shake. You need to shake the packet well before you have it so that it gets mixed very well. So here we are giving it a nice shake, and now we are going to pierce the packet right now. Here we go. So guys, this is the taste test of the Britannia Winkin Cow Strawberry-licious Thick Shake. Very yum, very thick and nice. Nice strawberry flavor. Nice and sweet strawberry flavor there, very nicely made. So I really like the strawberry milkshake. Like in terms of flavor, I feel it has a lot of flavor. It comes well packaged in a tetra pack here, and it is also priced very nicely at rupees 35. Like today, if you go to have a milkshake, a glass of milkshake will cost you nothing below rupees 100. And this strawberry milkshake actually comes close to the taste of the strawberry milkshake that you get in McDonald's. The strawberry shake that you get in McDonald's. The taste is almost the same. So it's really worth the price of rupees 35 for a box. Because if you go to McDonald's to buy a small glass of strawberry shake, it is going to cost you 100 rupees, 100, nothing less than that. So this is definitely worth more than that. The taste is good. It has a wonderful flavor to it as well. So guys, overall I really like this product. It has been my favorite, Winkin Cow from Britannia Thick Shakes, and one of the best milkshakes available. There are other products also available in the market, like Cabins is there, there's Hershey's, there's even Real who has come up with the Frappuccino, Real Frappe, which is their version of the thick shakes. So we are going to review all of them going ahead. But for now, this is the Britannia Winkin Cow Strawberry-licious Thick Shake, and it is an amazing flavor. So guys, I'll give it a 5 on 5 for the flavor and the taste, and the thickness of the milkshake is quite good. The consistency is good, and it's not watery at all. So if you all are planning to try it, you all should definitely go try the Britannia Winkin Cow Thickshake. So guys, this was my review about the Britannia Winkin Cow Thickshake. Do let me know what was your experience about the same in the comments below. And guys, if you all have liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.